Yeah, let's get a basket. So I thought I'd do a Wholefoods come shopping with us, which is probably London's most expensive supermarket. It's kind of akin to like, I actually don't know, I think Bailey and Sage is probably more expensive than Wholefoods, but one of them. But I thought I'd just show you around. So they have lots of like local based stuff. So this is salted peanut butter and caramel cookies. Oh my god, they are such cute strawberries. How much are they? Should we then a tenner? Right, those strawberries are a tenner. What makes them so delicious?
Oh, it's $3.20.
Yeah, that's by the kilo for pre-cut fruit.
I want kiwi.
Yeah, get it, we're doing a fun food shop. I was talking to Laura yesterday and she was like, one thing that rich people buy is watermelon. I think buying pre-cut watermelon is like a rich thing to do. What's that?
Octopus.
$16.99. Doesn't seem too bad for octopus. For tomorrow as well, don't we?
I'm not, I don't.
They have truffled brie. Yum.
Get it for Ellie for a present.
Camembert. Well, the camembert's on sale, 10% off. They have so many rosés. I don't know which ones are the ones that are on offer though. What ones? I guess it's this one. Sure. Teriyaki salmon ready to heat. Like lazy dinners. Oh my gosh, sesame and sriracha tofu. Also, that is such a good idea. $4.99. Not too bad. Okay. This is the best passata, but you can get it in Waitrose. Go for it. Got coronation mugs for £20, 21 quid. Who's buying these? Every single flavour you could possibly want of Little Moons.
Maybe you also take it.
Hi guys, I realised I didn't introduce myself at all at the beginning of this video. Hey, I'm Ellen, if you're new here. Welcome to, or back to my channel, which I've really cemented as my intro now, which I'm quite proud of. But we basically just went to Wholefoods and did a bit of a food shop. It's definitely not like a whole week food shop or anything. It was just kind of picking up random bits that we fancied or needed. And basically I just wanted to see how bad the damage was for doing that, and we spent £55 on, we do have dinner for tonight and lunches for tomorrow, and to be honest, a dinner for the next day as well, I'd say. So 3 meals and a whole bunch of like snacky fun bits for 55 quid, which is obviously expensive. I think a lot of people would say Wholefoods is definitely the most expensive grocery store in the UK. I personally think Bailey and Sage, I don't know if they're, I actually don't know if Wholefoods is outside of London either. I don't know if Bailey and Sage is outside London. I think that's more expensive. And then you can obviously get like kind of the whole foodie type corner shops like in your local area and stuff around London, which are expensive too. But Wholefoods, like obviously as a supermarket goes, is definitely expensive. There are about 6 or 7 locations all around London.
Steps, you're right.
I know it. Sorry, we've been all over London. We've been all over West London today. But yeah, so we popped in. We definitely did some damage, so I am gonna show you what we got. And obviously I did some in-store footage as well. So yeah, first bit, we got some turkey breast. This pack of turkey breast, I'm not really sure what's special about it. It's Italian organic turkey breast. This was £6 for this turkey breast. Like, we just scanned 2 things through and it was the price of our normal food shop, I'd say. I then got, which I actually think is a good deal, this giant bottle of kombucha, which was £4.50, and I normally spend like £4.50 on like 1 bottle of kombucha in Holland and Barrett, so actually that was quite a good deal. Sorry, totally randomly pulling things out. I guess I'll stick to drinks. I got the Muji, this is 8 ginger shots, and that was on sale as well. This was £4.50-ish as well. And what I did was, so I can split it up into the perfect size shots, I got one of the little ones as well, so I can drink this, rinse out, and then use this to pour my shot in every day. You can probably tell from my voice I'm not feeling 100%, so I feel like these could sort me out. I was going to save it for tomorrow, but I might have it tonight. We then got a thing of bananas. I think these 6 bananas came to like £2.50. What else is in my bag? We got some more soy sauce, because I actually find these bottles really hard to find, the ones that you actually get in the Chinese restaurant. This is easily my favourite soy sauce. I will buy this over everything and willingly pay the expensive price for it, but I haven't been able to find this bottle anywhere, so I got this bottle, and then I'm just going to keep this bottle and keep filling it up with soy sauce, because I just find it so much easier to pour this bottle than the other bottles. So that was a good find. We then got some baby bells, because these are actually cheaper than anywhere else I've seen them. So got baby bells. And then Pete got a thing of, I don't know how to say that, Ortis tuna, because he's going to make himself tuna jacket potatoes at some point this week. I'm staying at my mum's quite a bit, so he's here on his own. He's going to have tuna jacket potatoes with like nice tuna. I think this was about £7, so quite expensive. Then in the actual Wholefoods bag, we got some candy kittens. The watermelon flavour is my favourite one. So I got the sour watermelon candy kittens. They're my favourite. They were the same price as Waitrose candy kittens. Pete got all these random like energy sachets. I think these were only about 60p each, but he was going to buy a big thing of this one. And I told him to try the flavours first before he commits to a big pack of one of the flavours, because these kind of things are really hit and miss. We then got some more sweets. We got American hard gummies. I won't be eating these right now because I don't think they're going to do anything for my throat. We then got quite a bit of fruit. So we got this pack of strawberries. I think these were about £5. I don't think it's actually strawberry season yet. These are from Spain yet. It's not strawberry season yet, but they smell really, really good. So I think they're going to be delish. We also got pre-chopped kiwi fruit, which again I think is going to be really good. I can't think of kiwi is going to hurt my throat right now. I think I've got that thing where I'm a little bit allergic to kiwi as well. You know, where kiwi makes your mouth feel a bit like, I don't know how to describe it, it's like fuzzy. So yeah, I think I'm a little bit allergic to kiwi, so I won't be eating that. We then got this linguine with peppers. Linguine with tomatoes and peppers that we're going to have for dinner tonight. I think this was like £6, which doesn't actually feel too bad. It smells unreal. I mean, I know I could probably make this myself for under £3 quite easily, but they have loads of these like lazy dinners. So they have like loads of ready to heat like salmon already done for you, like potatoes, chips, all that kind of thing. And I imagine they are totally catered towards the kind of people who are like too busy to cook themselves like fresh food on their way home, like when they're on their way home from work and they're not going to get home and like cook themselves a fresh meal. That's who these sorts of things are catered to, I would say. So I actually think they're not affordable anyway, but I think they're a really good idea for like that kind of client who I would think that Wholefoods probably has a lot of that type of customer. So I bet they do really well out of those sorts of things. I then got a roasted cauliflower and spicy rice salad bowl, which is going to be my lunch for tomorrow. This was $4.99, which I would be, like, as a normal kind of price I would spend on lunch, so I'm kind of okay with that. This in no way looks like 50 quid's worth of food at all, and as you can tell from the video, it doesn't, like, and what I showed you, it doesn't feel like 50 quid's worth of food. I'd say in a week for our full food shop for all our meals, we shop between Lidl, oh my god, my words today, Lidl and Waitrose, and we spend around 50 to 55 pounds a week, and that includes all our meals, all our lunches for the whole week, and then we tend to on the weekends kind of do a separate food shop for the weekends, just because we're like busy and doing different things, so it never really gets incorporated into our weekly food shop. Our weekly food shop is just so we've got stuff throughout the week when we get home from work and stuff, and then to feed us for lunches as well. So this is in no way that, but it will definitely keep us going for a little bit in terms of like fruit and dinner tonight and lunches, and then we've got potatoes and a whole bunch of veg in the fridge, so Pete's going to be perfect to make his little tuna moment, and that'll probably cover like a lunch he makes into a salad as well. So there's more here than it looks like maybe, but also like I can't comprehend how anybody, well not how, I can comprehend it because I understand people are on much higher wages than we are, but why anyone would want to do a full food shop at Whole Foods, because I can't imagine that this food is going to taste dramatically different to what you get in like, even like Waitrose. Like the Waitrose prices are significantly lower than Whole Foods obviously, and you would be able to get so much more for your money and still great quality food if that's where you want to shop. So yeah, woo, what you getting? Water. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Bit of a different one. I can't say that this will be a regular occurrence on the channel, but it's definitely something I've wanted to make for a while, because you guys used to love watching my food shops. If you want me to continue doing my food shop hauls, Pete, if you want me to continue doing my food shop hauls, do let me know in the comments below, because I did like filming those, so I would be happy to get them started up again. I do normally do my food shop in the night, and that's why I've stopped filming them really. So yeah, let me know if you enjoyed that. Remember to hit subscribe if you're new here. My subscribers are growing really quickly at the moment. It feels great, you know, validation from the internet that I'm doing a good job. And smash a like on the video obviously if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Smash the like.